Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for spiritual and wellness products business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to get started for free. So you can start this free. Let's which takes you to the dashboard. Okay, so after you sign up you can just set up your website and storefront. So as you see here, this is the dashboard. This is after you sign up. Okay, so after this, click here, set up your website and storefront. It will takes you to the editor page. Okay, so here you're gonna set up and customize your website homepage. Now we'll go to the templates and select the templates you want to use. So for example, for the health or for the wellness and spiritual business, I don't know if I can find it here, so I'm gonna choose this one here, just a random one. So if the topic isn't here, you can select just a random like this one. And the first thing here, you have to change everything on this page here, on this templates. So this is depends on your business and on your product. So first, start with the header and the menu and change the site logo. Okay, so enter here your company name. uh, the navigation menu, you can delete all these menu items, you can add yours. The design of any section, so you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive to anyone can visit your site and attract your business. So make sure don't forget the simple details like the font and like the size and like the color. Also you can add a frame outline to make it more clear and more better. Now let's move on to the cover and the headline. So as you see here, you have to enter the tagline, the title and the description. So in the description here you can introduce your brand to your customers. Welcome to our site. For example, welcome to our site for spiritual and wellness products. Okay, just simply like this. So you have to enter here the title, so it depends on your products and your business. If you want to change the image, just from the browser and search on spiritual. Okay, and wellness. Okay, go to the browser and select it from here image which you want to use. So this is depends on your business, on your product, so you can choose your your image your image business. Okay, okay, so uh, okay, I think I'm gonna choose this one here. So after this, go to the design and change, of course you have to change the color, uh, the description, the title, the font, and that's it. So this simple details is important to make your site looks better and attractive. So that's it. Now let's go back to the next section. Let's move on to the next section. So here the store section, you have to create your product. So go to the dashboard and click here, add your product or services. As you see here, click on your product. Now you have to add your product gallery, the name of your product, the REF, the weight on kilogram. You can customize here the prices options. Don't forget here the description of your product. Okay, So that's it. Now let's go back, and after you're done from this place here, just save this place and go back, complete here the design, the background and the title and the product name, the product image, the product price. So let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, you can enter the subtitle, and in this space here you can talk about your customer, your business, your products, what, where are they made, and what makes them unique, and why should your customers buy from you or use your services. Simply like this, what your company offers, and that's it, like this. And the layout here, choose your favorite layout. So the background you have to change, if you want to change the color, and the description you can change the font like this. Now let's go back, let's move on to the next section. So here, if this image match your business, you can keep it. So of course you have to add the tagline and the title and the description, and don't forget the design. So nothing special here, just let's move on to the next section, the customer reviews. You can use this title here, customer reviews. You have to add the review text and the author name and the rating. So after you add the review text, the reviews, you can go to the design and select your favorite design. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back, and let's move on to the next section, delivery information. So nothing special here, add the subtitle and the description, and the same thing here, the layout, choose your favorite one. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the contacts. So as you see here, after you added the location, the title and the description, you have to change the image. If it's matched with your business, you can keep it just like this. You have to change the address, and you have to enter here your business address. You have to enter the daily hours of your work. You can enter the contact information and the social profiles, and don't forget here the design of your business. So that's it. So in the future here, you can enter your company name for the copyright. If you want to add something new, you can just click here add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add in your homepage. Okay, so that's it. After this, before you publish your website, you can show the preview. Okay, if it needs something to edit or design something new. After this, after you verify this, just publish it. Now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.